Most business owners spend time chasing people who will never buy. Meanwhile, the real buyers are there waiting for someone who will solve their problem. Stop wasting your time on the wrong audience. I am here to show you how to actually find the people who are ready to buy. After this video, you find out the type of people who are watching you on your WhatsApp status and what to actually do in order to find out the people who are ready to buy from you. In case you don't know me, I am Amako Nhiri, a WhatsApp marketing coach. A few years ago, I sold skincare products online using WhatsApp and I failed woefully at it. And eventually, I learned the right way to do it. That is why I came up with a bundle, the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. And that is why I am here to help business owners use WhatsApp, sell effectively. You understand? So this bundle is literally a digital resource that will help you as a business owner, even as a beginner, to sell out consistently on WhatsApp, to sell with structure, clarity, and confidence. These are the things I did not do when I was selling few years ago that made me fail woefully. So now I am helping business owners who are fully ready to sell out consistently, who are ready to make millions using WhatsApp, a simple tool known as WhatsApp, who are ready to, work with less stress and more clarity. If that is what you want, then go to the description box, you see the link there, click it, and then see if it is what you want to use for your business. But I guarantee you, I give you the assurance that it is something you need. It's a tool you need to work with, especially if you're a beginner or new to WhatsApp marketing. Okay, so without wasting time, let's jump right into the video. First, let's discuss the three types of people that are watching your WhatsApp status. One, we have the watchers. They are just there to be inspired by you, by your content. They are there to save, like, leave a comment. They are there to tell you, oh, nice comment. They're just there for the entertainment. They are not there to spend their money yet. Then we have the wishers. These are people that want results, but they are not ready to take action. That is why they'll drop comments like if you engage them, they'll tell you things like soon, I'm not ready yet, next month. Because they know that they have a problem and they want a result, but they are not ready. It could be that they are not ready financially, or anything could be the cause. Then there is the buyers. They are the buyers rather. These are people that are ready, actively ready to spend their money, actively looking for solutions, people that want to end their frustration, that thing that is frustrating them, that is making them have sleepless nights. They can't even sleep peacefully at night. And out of these three groups, only one pays, which is obviously the buyers. So now, if you are looking for people who will actually buy what you are selling, you are looking for the last category of these individuals, that's the buyers, then these are the things you need to do. One, you need to sell to their frustration, not to their interest. What do I mean by this? Are you aware that someone can be interested in your product for months and never buy? Whereas someone that is frustrated, someone that is looking for solution right now, is out there searching for options. Now, if you are speaking to the person's to people's interests, you understand, this is someone that, okay, what you're saying is interesting. Yes, this is something I would like to try out maybe in the future, but currently it's not my problem. I have other pain points, I have other pressing needs. But now, instead of speaking to their interests, you're speaking to their frustration. You understand? You are creating content that is speaking to their frustration, directly speaking to their frustration. That is when they will now pay attention. But when you are there creating content that sounds motivational, exciting, impressive, you are attracting attention, but you are not attracting buyers. When you target interest, your content sounds general. It sounds generic, like you're talking to every other person. It's not targeted to that person's frustration. But when you target frustration, your content sounds specific. It sounds like, yes, you're talking to me. Yes. I need to. It be like say this is one of the options I need to consider, because that person is actively looking for solution at at that point. So you are targeting the person's frustration. The person needs a solution. And what do you think? One and one will come and become one. Now remember, specific content to make someone feel seen, and people will buy from you when they feel understood. So when you're creating content as a business owner, instead of saying how to lose weight, instead say, if you have been working out and still not losing weight, this is for you. This puts people who are already looking for a solution. And one thing you should know is that frustrated people don't need so much explanation. What they want is clarity. They want you to tell them how, if you can solve their problem faster and make their life easier. You understand? Because they've been actively looking for solutions. So what they want is, tell me, give me the details I need. Give me, like, be clear, give me the information I need. You don't need to really go on and explain. Remember, frustration creates urgency, and urgency creates decision, and decision creates sales. Now the second thing you should do if you're looking for people who will actually buy from you is to identify buyers using the pain plus action rule. A buyer must have both. Now, pain means they are frustrated, they are stuck, they are tired, or they are losing something. It could be that they are losing money, they are losing time, they are losing energy, they are just losing something. And then it can be financially, emotionally, you understand? So that pain, identify it. And then the action, they are already taking action. They're already going to groups, asking questions. They're already making their research. They're already going to YouTube, going to Google, going to different comment section, creators comment section to ask questions. That's the action they're already taking. And they're already asking practical questions, not general questions. They're asking questions about the price, the result, the time, the process. They're already mentally prepared to buy. They're already asking you what will happen after payment. Someone who says, I want to grow my business someday is not a buyer. So you have to identify them by the questions they are asking, the actions they are taking. So now you see, buyers are asking practical questions, non-buyers are talking in possibilities. I will do this someday. Ah, this is something I'll try out very soon. Oh. Wow, this looks like a good idea. They are still fantasizing, they are not ready. But when you see someone who is ready to buy, it shows through their action, through the way they are ready, like that urgency is there. That is how you can identify them. Once you learn how to identify pain and action together, selling becomes simpler. Hmm? Now, you are not out there convincing people that they need your help. Rather, you are out there helping people who are ready to accept your help. So go ahead to sell to their frustration, not interest. And also identify buyers using the pain plus action rule. Hope it is something that you understood. Now, remember my bundle, the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. It is a digital tool that you need as a beginner, as a small business owner, if you want to sell out consistently, and then if you want to sell with less stress, and but you want to sell with consistency, with clarity, with structure, and with confidence. Go to the description box, you see the link there, click it, and it will take you to the place for you to go and check it out and get it eventually. It is something you will enjoy using, I guarantee you, okay? Now tell me your key takeaway. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe if you are all about business, WhatsApp marketing, sales, and the rest as a business owner, as an intentional business owner. Okay? Scratch that. Intentional solution provider. If that is what you're all about, then hit the subscribe button. So I see you in my next video. Take care.